Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up monitoring FICO score changes in MyFICO easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the MyFICO website. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. After logging in, find the dashboard that displays your credit information. Look for a section labeled Credit Monitoring or FICO Score Monitoring. Click on that section to enter the monitoring feature. You may need to verify your identity, depending on your account settings. Once verified, explore the options available for monitoring your FICO score. Select the feature that allows you to receive alerts for changes in your score. Customize your alert preferences according to your needs. You can usually opt for email alerts or mobile notifications. Review any additional monitoring services that may be offered. Consider signing up for monthly updates if not automatically included. After making your selections, confirm any changes you made. Navigate back to your dashboard to ensure the settings have been updated. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with other tools available in your account. Logging out is the next step to ensure your account remains secure. Close the browser once you've successfully logged out. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.